welcome to Tonetra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonetra and you are in my garden. In today's video, we are going to be planting some zinnias in some of the spots that are a little bit bare in my garden beds. So if you remember in my last video, I was telling you guys that I wanted to try out some of the smaller zinnias, maybe the dwarf variety zinnia. Well, I found them at Walmart. I was super excited. They were an affordable price. And so I just had to snag a couple so that I can plant them in the garden. So these are the zinnias. OMG, do you see these? So I will be saving seeds from these. These are so stinking adorable. And they were only $3.54. So these zinnias, it doesn't say the name, it just says zinnia, but they're a dwarf variety for sure. So I'm gonna be popping these in a couple of places. I'm gonna do one right here in the middle just to give it a pop of color. That marigold is still struggling a little bit, so we're just gonna pop it right here in the middle, give us a pop of color, and then we'll pop a few of those in my bigger raised bed. So let's get to it. So I tucked these into the front of this planter box. How cute are those? These do come in a 4-pack, so I basically just put them into the planter box the way that they were in the 4-pack because I did like how they looked. So yeah, I just popped them in there like that. How stunning is that? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next one I think I'm gonna put at the corner of this raised bed. Maybe here or here. What do y'all think? This area gets shaded, but I think they might be able to do okay. All right, so I'm gonna put these yellow and pink ones right here in this front little area, just because I would like to see a pop of yellow over here. So, ooh, caterpillars are already trying to eat them up. I'm gonna pop out one of these basils so they'll have room. Pull those out. We'll pop them right in here. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be so cute.
When we wake, birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Okay, so I'm looking at this area and I'm thinking 1 or 2 popped right in this little corner would be cute. 2 yellow ones would be really pretty. So I'm gonna try 2 in this little section. Okay, you guys, it is burning up out here. So we got 1. Here's another one. Oh. I'll just put some soil over top of those. Okay, so I just put some compost on top of these because soil is pretty dry. I don't know where all these caterpillars are coming from. Okay, so those are in. Okay, it is hot out here, so I have a couple more plants that I don't really know where to put them, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in this container and see how they do. We're gonna pop them into this container from Dollar General. I have this other one here, and this is more of like a shade container, and this one will be out here in the yard somewhere. So let's go ahead and plant her up. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna pop this one right here in this corner. You see all of this dead grass. It needs a little pop of color, a little help. So we're gonna put it right here. We have our other ones here. Aren't those gorgeous? OMG. So I'm gonna go ahead and water these in and see what happens. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.